Good morning on this mediocre looking Wednesday. It is my one day off today, and I am at Canobie Lake, the actual lake that surrounds Canobie Lake Park. And today, me and my father, Daddy as I call him, we are kayaking to the park. So the real reason I'm kayaking to the park is they screwed up. They got rid of Corkscrew, which, built in 1975, was one of the first coasters to actually invert. It was a huge part of my childhood. The screwed up part about it isn't that they removed it, it's that the fact is they haven't acknowledged it at all. The coaster's completely gone. They're still posting like, oh yeah, we love Corkscrew. Like, my friend has sent them emails. They're like, oh, we haven't made any plans on what we're doing with Corkscrew. It's not there. And I know employees that won't take pictures because the park has told them they can't take pictures. So I decided I'm just gonna go do it myself. So Alright, the first thing I'd like to note about this is it's very windy, so it's very wavy. I'm getting pretty wet. I feel like I'm going to tip over. I'm not going to tell my dad. I think this was a bad idea though, because I need to prove that Corkscrew is not. So the front of my boat's pretty wet, my pants are pretty wet, inside's pretty wet, everything is pretty wet, but I see the dock for Canobie over there. I made it to the park. It's pretty much the back end of the park over here by the boat dock, and you see Untamed in the background. It's pretty cool. We're testing the skater right now. But I'm not going in the park obviously because but I'm going to keep going and I'm going to try and see Corkscrew, which I think you can see from the lake, because sometimes I go and park over there and just look at the park. It's really beautiful over here though. My legs are soaked. You see that right there? The front of the kayak is soaked. It's really cold, really windy, but I'm at a park, I guess, my day off. A little bit of history because I know the park so well. This is the backside of the Dance Hall Theater, which held many concerts like Aerosmith and whatnot. So that was actually built by PTC, Philadelphia Toboggan Company. Same people built Yankee Cannonball Station, but more importantly, they built a ton of wooden roller coasters in the area and really across the globe. So that's pretty neat. This is the park's Shoot the Chutes ride. Awesome Sea Party. I feel like I might as well ride it since I'm already like pretty wet kayaking over here. So I got that going for me. But next over there is Corkscrew. I'm gonna see what I can see. Fingers crossed I can see something and prove that Canobie's lying to all of us. Corkscrew's not there. It's just gone. I don't know. So if you know anything about Canobie, you would see the white and blue Corkscrew coaster right over here. As you can see, that's part of it right there. The coaster is completely gone. They don't even have the station left right now. That is just horrible, honestly. And they're still not admitting it online or anything. Wow. There's a few dumpsters over there. But geez. So Corkscrew was one of the first coasters to go upside down in 1975, so that's a pretty big loss. It's sad that they didn't say anything and they still haven't said anything. But it's gone all right. Man. Anyways, back to kayaking. Pretty much on shore, but not, so please no one sue me. That's the view over there. It's nothing. You got some supports, I saw a footer somewhere over there. Jeez. On our way back, I'm still getting soaked, as you can probably see. Anyways, the sun finally came out, so it's actually a nice day. Great. Yep. I'll be back in like probably 20 minutes. It was a long kayak out here. Here's to a successful kayaking trip. One where I got pretty freaking wet. Boat's pretty wet, but I made it out. I survived. And I proved that Corkscrew is not there. No.